Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this super defined wash and go, what products I use, and how I did the flat tips in the front and the accessories to top it off. So stay tuned to see the entire process, as I will be using Palmer's Cocoa Butter Length Retention System in order to be able to create this style. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off from freshly washed hair. I love doing my wash and goes on freshly washed hair. I know sometimes you can convert old styles into a wash and go if you prefer to do so. I personally prefer to do it on freshly washed hair. I feel like it's just easier to maneuver with the products. You don't have to worry about product buildup, or products are actually going to create a product buildup from old products that are already in your hair versus new products that you're putting in your hair. So I want to show you guys exactly what I do to achieve that very cute look. I actually shampooed and conditioned off camera with the Palmer's Coconut Butter and Biotin shampoo and conditioner. I actually started off with the shampoo, of course, to be able to get my hair really clean, and then came in followed up with the conditioner. Now the conditioner itself is kind of a lighter liquid consistency. It's not as thick as a deep conditioner would be, but because of the texture that it actually is, it's easy to apply and glide on. It almost feels like a thicker leave-in conditioner to me, but I like it. It wasn't too much of a hassle, so to speak, dealing with this kind of bottle to be able to get out the products, and I was able to apply it all over my hair and use it as a deep conditioner to detangle. My hair actually had a lot of product buildup and it needed to be detangled, and I wish I would have showed you guys a video of it beforehand just to see the process, but I lost that footage. But I do want to show you guys that the hair is clean, scalp is cleansed, as you can see, still soft, and I literally have absolutely no product in my hair right now. I washed it and then I deconditioned it, detangled, and just brought it back to the back of my head to let it sit there with the deep conditioner, then rinse it out, and here we are. So these are my curls. As you can see, some of them are kind of showing up in the back, but I didn't really do anything to style it. Really want to just come on camera and show you guys exactly what it looks like with no product. Little crazy, little lioness, but I like it. So now I'm actually going to go through the process to begin styling. Okay, to start the very first step of the process, I'm going to section my hair. Okay, so we'll start with that. I am going to add some water. I have low porosity hair, so with that, I actually prefer to work with wet hair because my hair cuticles need to open back up in order to be able to absorb the product. And I'm just using a mister here. I actually prefer these over the spray bottles. This is my new jam. Look how it come out. Now I'm going to take the Palmer's leave-in conditioner and spray it in my head. Hi. Can I help you? Because I'm in the middle of filming a video. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm Nasir. I'm Nasir. Can you go with your brother, please?
No.
Mari has something for you.
No.
Mari has something for you. Want to go see what Mari has?
Huh?
Want to go see what, you heard me. Why you used to keep saying, You want to go see what Mari has? Go see. Say, Mari. Mari! Get your brother now. The scent of the products actually all smell just like the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. So it literally brings me back to those days when my mom used to lather us up in that cocoa butter. So I love it. With me having low porosity hair, I find that the LCO method works better than the lock method. So the LCO method is liquid, cream, and oil. So you use those three combinations in that order in order to be able to have the best results for your hair. So I like to use the liquid, cream, and oil. The liquid that I have is actually the leave-in conditioner that I just sprayed. So the cream that I'll be using is the Palmer's Cream Styler. So that'll be the C of the LCO method. So I'm actually going to take some of the cream styler, just apply a little bit in my hand. I like to start off with a small amount of product first because especially when I'm first trying a product, I don't know how much I'll need, how much I don't need. That really wasn't the smallest, but because I'm working in a section here that could be bigger, I can always add it to the rest of my hair. I think that was a decent amount. You want to rub it all through. Make sure you're getting those ends. Please do not neglect those ends or those roots. So I'm going to put a little bit more on there because I like to feel that my hair is smooth with the product. Okay, so that feels good. That is evenly distributed. This is how it looks with no gel in it so far. Actually looks pretty good. Since I am doing a wash and go, I will be adding some gel. I know I've done some styles without gel for my wash and go, but typically when I like to use creams, I like to have a gel as well too for that define. So I'm going to take a little bit of this gel here, and I'm going to put it all through this section. So now at first it looks like it's going to be straight, because when you're pulling it, it looks kind of straight. Like here, as you can see, this piece looks like it's straight. But you can always scrunch it up. Or for me, when I do the shingling, it actually starts to take that shape of the curl. And this is a good time to try to separate it, because see some of it like clumped together. Like this is like a big clump section, so to speak. So you can just kind of separate that. And as I'm filling my hair, like I said, I washed off camera, but as I'm filling my hair right now, it does have that kind of squeaky clean feel to it that clarifying shampoos actually provide you. So this actually is categorized as a length retention shampoo and a gentle moisturizing cleanser. But it does have that clarifying kind of feel to it where you have that squeaky clean, if that makes sense. If you want to use a more gentle clarifying shampoo, this is doing that. So it doesn't have that extra clean, super dry feel that some clarifying shampoos does, but it does have kind of a squeaky clean feel to it. And this is actually notated as a color safe product too, which I love because obviously I have colored hair. So not all products take the time to be color safe, and I appreciate that because you will find that certain shampoos actually can strip your color as well as different products just don't sit well with it. So this is color safe. Okay, so that is the very first section, and I literally already can see the definition. It's super lightweight too. It's not a heavy feeling of a wash and go, so I like that. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of the sections and then come back. Alright, so the product is applied all over my head, and it is looking like it's probably gonna dry real cute. Yeah, baby. So yeah, I like how defined the curls are. And they're not clumpy either, as you can see. You know, sometimes when you're doing a wash and go, they actually start adhering to each other and making those clumps. Like this looks like true uncut individual curls. And I like that. Talking about definition, baby. So I am going to do a cute little twist style here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I actually had it parted this way, but this style is actually going to come all the way over. So I'm going to part it down a little bit like that. So I just did a part straight across, and what I'm going to do is actually start twisting from one side and bring it over. So I'm grabbing the first section, looping it over. It's just going to be like a flat twist. Okay, so I took the clips out. Now you can just see the twist by itself. Well, that's something different, right? And now I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to do my makeup while it dries as well, and then come back and show you guys the final look, what it looks like once it's dry, and how to spice it up a bit. Alright, so I'm back with a quick beat and some dry hair. So as you can see, the volume of it has definitely changed with the hair being drier. And it's still kind of damp, but it is getting drier by the minute. Look at this definition though. Looking good, baby. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges because that's what I do. I like laid edges. It's just my preference. And so I'm going to go ahead and put some gel on the perimeter. And as you can see, it's still kind of swooped from when I styled it that way. And I don't want to disrupt the twist, so I am trying to stay away from that area as much as possible, but making sure that it blends in and looks nice and cute. And then swoop. Oh. Okay then. Like I said, this is just a preference. Some people don't lay their edges, and that's totally fine. Some people go crazy with the edges. That's fine too. I'm somewhere in the middle, depending on the day. If I got time to lay them down, these edges, lay them down, and get real fancy, I will. But if not, they'll just be sleek. There you go. I love it. And this is it. You can either keep it this way, which is still super cute, sleek style and defined, or if you want to be extra, you know, extra is my middle name, you can add some cute little accessories. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be putting on. These little gold accessories I'm going to be adding to the twist. So they open up like that. It's hard to see. It does open up. And I'm just going to secure it on the twist. So put it on there like that, and then you just squeeze, boom. And here is the final look. So my wash and go is super defined, and it's cute and lightweight and bouncy, and I love it. The definition is amazing, literally so defined. Pores came through, hunty. I like this. Curls feeling refreshed and moisturized, and with it being color safe as well, I didn't see any issue with my color stripping or feeling dry out. So I am loving this collection. So the Cocoa Butter and Biotin collection is actually silicone free and also has color fade protection, which is great for curlies like me who have colored hair. So it's really good to know that that is built into this product. It also has quinoa protein as well as biotin, which are supposed to be really great for your hair. Well, my gems, I hope you enjoyed watching this video to see how I achieve this cute and defined wash and go with this flat twist in the front and these gold accessories to just top it off. So if you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification button so you can be notified when new posts become available on my channel. Until next time, bye my gems.